Y esta mañana le han sacado a las 5 de la mañana muerto, pero le han arrastrado como el perro y le han botado ahí.
Lamentablemente hemos sido abandonados en todo este tiempo por nuestras autoridades. Y hoy día también se esconden, no aparecen.
Dramatic. The images that circulate because of the collapse of the funerary and sanitary system in Bolivia has generated helplessness and outrage. Sadness and death odor spread quickly in the streets. Families cry because of their beloved ones. The pandemic has caused too much pain. The ability to stop coronavirus is basically invalid. The pain is deep and the damage is irreparable. What is happening? Cochabamba, July 2020. Relatives of the Bolivian citizen Rolly Pinto Centeno took one of the main streets of the city as a protest measure, facing the lacking of answers of funeral services. Rolly had 7 days of being dead by COVID-19, and due to the high number of deaths, he did not have a Christian burial. The coffin was over an old wheelbarrow, surrounded by a red tape and covered with a black plastic, and he was not buried until 11 days after in decomposition.
Son 7 días, señor periodista, que el difunto está en la casa. En ese hogar donde ha muerto el señor, hay personas, hay niños, hay personas mayores, hay inquilinos. Y necesitamos que lo entierren, ya no queremos más que lo tengan ahí en la casa.
¿Dónde está la autoridad? Ahí siempre, ¿cómo no va a haber? Han dejado todas sus pertenencias, rapidito han llevado. ¿Por qué no se han llevado el cuerpo también?
The conditions in what Rolly Pinto was buried is not isolated. The situation in Bolivia is like this of alarming. Among 20 and 30 corpses remain in their domiciles waiting for being buried. There is no place in the graveyards, neither in the crematoriums.
También tengo mi familia que está muerta y hasta ahora no podemos enterrarle. Que dicen que no hay espacio, no hay espacio. ¿Y dónde entran todos estos cajones que están entrando al cementerio?
The cemetery staff of Cochabamba got up in protest. The funeral homes have not had place where to put the deaths, while other families wait for the certificates of deaths. The contagions and deaths for COVID-19 continue increasing.
El Hospital del Tórax, a partir del día de hoy, cierra sus puertas hasta que las condiciones sean óptimas.
The transmission of the virus to greater strength in the departments of Santa Cruz, Beni, Cochabamba, and La Paz. Bolivians are desperate. They blame the inefficient measures of the current de facto administration. Meanwhile, the hospitals are still collapsed. Neither the medical supplies nor the medical personnel are enough.